I'm so bored. Yeah? Turn on the news? Why?
In today's breaking news, we've caught wind of a terrifying zombie sighting. We're still not sure if they're hostile in nature. On second thought... Run! Ah!
That couldn't be. My Jared! He's a zombie now? Jared! Huh? Jared, is that you? Honey, what happened to you? Did something bite you? No way! You're not eating that! No! Is this my life now? Phew, that workout really kicked my butt. Nothing some water won't fix. I'll be refreshed in no time. Have some water, Jared. Phew. Ooh. See ya.
So much exercise. Why? Because you get to drink this stuff? What is this thing? Refreshing. Is that lemon? Check out this giant jug. You could fit a whole human head in there. Actually, that gives me an idea. Say cheese. Yeah. Anyone order a zombie head? This prank is gonna be epic. Just one more step. Good thing zombies like water. Looks pretty spooky already. Fits perfectly too. Quick, she'll see better this way.
I'm gonna be so sore tomorrow. Huh? Is that Jared? No! I can't look! Huh? You think that's funny?
It's me and me.
You scared me half to death! Why are these things so good? It's like I'm in Jello heaven. Hey, come sit.
Jello? Any left for me?
This one. Take a bite. Don't cough on it, Jared. Just means more for me then. Oh. Huh? What's up? What? Oh.
Is this supposed to be food? Achoo! Sticky. Whoa! My snot's the same color! Oh yeah! It's prank time! Green Jello, anyone? Let's do this! Come here! There we go! Looks pretty similar, huh?
Sorry, Bella had a fashion crisis. Gotta save her my last cup. What did you do to this? Jared! I slept like a rock. Phew. This minty freshness ought to wake me up. There we go. Nope. Still sleepy. Huh? Jeez! You scared me! You wanna brush your teeth? Just do that.
Brush teeth?
Ew! You don't brush, do you? Here, better late than never. Just scrub like me, see? The bristles, Jared.
Bristles? Yeah. Toothpaste. For this prank, squeeze some toothpaste into a bowl. Then add a few drops of green food coloring. Nice. Don't forget to mix it up. Keep going until it's all green. Now put it back inside the tube. Perfect. Pour the mixture right on it. The stick will help you get it in there. Keep going until it's full again. Close it back up. Put the wax paper over the opening. Then use a hair straightener like this to fuse it closed again. Did it work? Looks pretty good to me.
Another glorious morning. This morning breath is kicking. No, don't fall asleep. Just a little toothpaste and I'll wake up in no time. Minty. Still so sleepy though. Are those my teeth? Jared!
Uh-oh.
How are my muffin babies looking? Careful. There. Looks straight out of a cookbook. Don't they look absolutely divine? Extra sugar never hurt anyone. Perfect. Am I a good girlfriend or what? For my love, Jared. Zombies can read, right?
A note? That's my name. Oh. Zombies don't like chocolate. On second thought, see this muffin bits? Roll them into a ball. Next, cover it with white chocolate. Time for some color. We turned ours into an eyeball. See? Spooky.
Did you like the muffins? Where did you get that? Eyeballs freak me out.
But the taste so good, see?
I'm gonna be sick.
This fountain's wearing me out. Ta-da!
Huh? Whose eyes are those? Or are they... smells pretty good. Well done, Jared. Oh, you prankster.
You sleeping, Lily? It's so quiet. Yep, dead asleep. It's dinner time. Look at all that juicy flesh.
I can't believe you bit me.
You're welcome.
Did these zombie pranks got you scared to death? Well, almost death. Zombies sure like to have their fun. Share this video with your friends to give them a laugh. Watch these yet? Subscribe to our channel so you never miss a thing.